All right, so this is how we blew up literally this law firm's traffic or clicks literally within 60 days from 1.2K to 4.88K, and I'll show you exactly how we did it in the next view. So let's get into it. This was the law firm. When they first joined us, oh, where are they? When they first joined us, it was literally September 9th. September 20th, 2024. It is October 31st right now. Happy Halloween, by the way. And I hope you guys are enjoying your Halloween. Let's get into it. So what did we do to blow up their number of clicks from the previous 3 months to the last 3 months, or more specifically in less than 60 days? Because as you could tell, this only blew up in October 7th. And then you could see exactly the date that it blew up, and I'll kind of show you what we did step by step. I'll actually kind of go through three main things that we did, and by the end of this video I will show you exactly the clicks that they're getting as well, so the type of clicks, so you know it's not going to be junk traffic. It's actually high intent traffic that's coming in, people who are actually looking for their services. So let's get into step one, what we did. Step one was we built actually topic clusters for service pages. So building topic clusters. So basically we built clusters around each main service by creating kind of related supporting content that links back to the core service page, right? So for example, if they had like a page on divorce law services, we created content like how to prepare for a divorce law in Oklahoma, or common divorce myths, linking to the main service page. This kind of signals, what this does is it signals relevance and authority to the search engines, and really kind of gets the search engines on track in terms of what kind of clicks, what kind of keywords you want the clicks to come from. And then step two, this is what we did. We also optimize internal linking with commercial intent anchors. So let me just write that down so you guys have it. And by the way, we have a document fully, like this is only 3 steps that we did that I'm showing you. If you guys want the full document, there's actually like 10 steps that we did in these last 60 days, or even like not even 60 days. We did it in like 30 days, and it made obviously a huge impact. If you want the whole thing, just send me an email or I'll link it somewhere and you guys could have it. Not a big deal. I love sharing this stuff with you guys. So anyway, commercial, and we optimize internal linking with commercial intent anchors, okay? By that, the intent really matters when you're talking about SEO, and this is why like a lot of people get frustrated when they see traffic go up, but it's coming from just keywords that are not really helping them move the needle at all. So what we try and do is we make sure that the traffic comes from high intent keywords. So in their case, we really want keywords coming from like, divorce, like people looking for divorce lawyer in Oklahoma, or divorce law Oklahoma, or, family law Oklahoma, because that signals basically to the business that like these guys are actually like at the bottom of the funnel. They're ready to make a buying decision now. Now their only choice is who are they gonna buy from, or who are they gonna take lawyer services from, or attorney services from, essentially. And what I mean by this, so optimizing linking, or internal linking I should say, with commercial intent anchors, is basically we use internal links from like high traffic blog posts that they were already getting with really strong authority. So we figured out, okay, well, these were the blog posts that they were already getting, that was actually getting a lot of traffic already, but we ensured to anchor the text, or we actually created text on those blog posts, text like divorce lawyer in OKC, instead of basically learn more, and we internally link that. So this strengthens the relevance of the linked service pages for transactional type of keywords, and that's what you really want, and that did give a big boost for the keyword relevancy, and obviously the clicks, the type of clicks that they were getting. And then finally step 3, and again there's like 10 steps that we did, but I'm going to just share 3 with you because I'm pretty sure you guys are going to pay attention to 10 steps. So the next thing that we did was we tested page titles with high CTR potential. So for commercial pages, here, let me just write it down first. Oh God, I'm sorry about my horrible writing, but you're gonna have to deal with it. So anyways, Step three was basically we're testing page titles essentially with really like high click-through potential, right? So for commercial pages, we were testing different title tags that included like numbers or CTA terms, like call to action terms, like top divorce lawyer in OKC hyphen free consultation. What this tends to do is it increases the CTR on high impression keywords, especially when you're already ranking on the first page. And obviously, increasing your CTR is extremely, extremely important for the search engines. Again, it kind of signals to the search engines that you're doing pretty well. If you're doing well with CTR, then kind of gives you a little bit more leeway with the rankings as well. So those are the three steps. What I want to show you is the actual results. So I did show you the traffic here. We went from 4.88K clicks in the last 3 months from just like previously 1.2K. And I only I picked last 3 months obviously because it's just kind of the easy option. I could have customized it for you, but essentially you can tell majority of the traffic came in exactly when we took over, which was September 20th. And September 20th, just as a reference point, was right around here. So this is exactly when we took over the account. Literally, about 15 days later, boom, huge increase, and now we're stabilizing now. So anyway, where did the clicks come from? So let's take a look at that. So let's take a look at the last 3 months, what they were getting for these clicks, and versus the previous 3 months. OKC divorce lawyer, they got 451 clicks during our time. Previous 3 months, they never got any clicks for that. Divorce attorney, OKC, they got 280 clicks during our time that we were with them within the 60 days. Previous 3 months, 0 clicks. OKC criminal defense law firm, 161 clicks, 0 before us. OKC criminal defense attorney, 150 clicks during our time, the 60-day period. Before us, 0. And the list goes on and on. And this is really important because now it's high quality traffic that's getting in. And that is a major, major difference in what we do. Not just in like the speed of what we do it at, but also we make sure that we get you high quality traffic as well that actually results in the bottom line moving forward, in your actual business getting a return on their investment. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my very first video in a long time. I'm sure we're going to evolve this over time, but I wanted to get this out. If you guys do want like the full document, and by the way, I'll just kind of show you a sneak peek of the document right here. So this is like a literal step-by-step guide on exactly what we did in actually the 45 days that were with us. So as the strategy and execution, it's all here. And we just kind of go step-by-step on exactly what we did here. And if you guys want this as a PDF or whatever, if you guys do want this, I will link it down below, and it's totally yours and free to use. And if you guys have any questions, you guys can always hit up the comment section. Anyways, I hope that helped, and I'll see you guys later. Take care. Bye.